I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day.
What up, what up, what up? What's up, John? Thank you. Let's go. Daryl in the house, John Walk in the house, Design, let's go. What is up? Joyce in the house. What is up? Kevin, it's Mo. What's going on, guys? What a day. How did everyone do today? His Royal Trades in the house. What's going on? Discipline Trader. Everyone's rolling in. Let's go. Oh, good luck in Jiu-Jitsu, John. Nice. Rock Driller in the house. What is up? How'd everyone do today? So I did all right. I had an okay day. Well, actually, that's a lie. I actually blew up a Take Profit Trader Pro. Unfortunately, I was up $1,700 on it. Trying to go for that day one payout, and it was gone. Locked in another day on the My Funded Future accounts. They're all up. Well, these ones are up. This one's up almost 2,000. This one's up 1,100. This one's up 1,000. This one's up 800. All funded. Going for that max payout. And yeah, shirt, huh? Rock driller. Let's go. Trying to get on that BDH. Smash the like button if you guys are just joining. Am I going to sign up for the PW contest? Yeah, for sure. Absolutely. Market's open, guys. Good luck. You will too, but you suck. Hey, you never know. You could get lucky one day. I suck too. Especially at tournaments. I suck at tournaments. All right, Mark's pushing up here. Oh yeah, for sure, design. Yeah, you gotta kind of have to play the tournament, right? Hey, Mango, thank you so much. Trader 007, Neo in the house. What is up? Exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll do a giveaway later in the stream. Level 2, what is up? We'll do a moose race. Dean in the house. Yeah, we'll do a moose race. Hey, another free account, guys. You guys are gonna get spoiled. Don't expect this every night. What's up, Dean? So you guys gonna be over on the so let me link that. You're gonna be over on the other side to join the giveaway. You can't be in the mobile side. You gotta be on the full screen. Market pushing higher here. Yo, hey, celebrity Terry Trades in the house. You see this, Terry? You got the BDH shirt. We're sporting the competition, but hey, celebrity Terry Trades in the house. That's right. Use code PINE. Thank you so much, as Royal Trades. Let me link this real quick. Channel. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, Terry was great on there. What's up, Peter? No, she did great, for sure. Definitely a natural. So, Benno Trades, what up? All right, getting a little bit push up here. Market's at 24,819. Can I go make dinner? All right, Terry. Yes. It's perfect to listen in while you're cooking supper. Yay, Michael, what's going on? Yeah, today wasn't bad. I did like try to like really push a take profit trader account. I was up $1,700 on it, but all right, getting that little push. Not too much volume right now. Let me check out what do we got going on for news. Got anything tonight? Nothing really tonight. Tomorrow, we got Jolt's job openings tomorrow. 10 a.m. Eastern time. Wednesday, PMI. Thursday, unemployment. Ooh, non-farm. This Friday. So that should be fun. Check out, see what gold's doing. Gold, sort of pushing down here. Pop. How'd everyone do today? Chat's quiet. You guys are exhausted from these markets. He was up in a PA, 100,000, and took a loss, some 50k evals, but just evals, trying to play the bounce. Yeah. Let's see. How did I get beat up? This candle right here. This inside bar, I really thought we would push through the high there. So this inside bar ended up going long. Looking for a break. Thinking that we'd push up through the highs, and yeah, I kind of held a little bit too long. It's always bad. Like, that's what kind of sucks about intraday trailing, is like I was up 1,700 and I ended the day, you know, down 300, right? So that's what kind of sucks, but spent most of the morning on the toilet. Oh no, Pegasus. Yeah. Oh no. Damn it. His Royal Trades, you got a kidney stone? Oh no, man. You gonna fight through it? Boy, those are the worst, dude. I'm quite experienced with the old kidney stones. Giving it some time, yeah. Yeah, it's the worst, man. Hope you feel better. Yeah, last time I went to the hospital, for the kidney stones, it cost me big. What is up, Red? Yeah, the lemon water. You know what's funny? I did the apple cider vinegar, drank some of that, and passed one. Yeah, Red. I don't go to the doctors either, but this kidney stone put me right down. I feel like you're gonna die. I was like, I'm gonna die. It was a waste of time. All he did was give me an IV. You're banned from Funding Ticks Discord again? Banned or just timed out, Zayd? What happened this time? Yeah, more preventative, yeah. Timed out for the week? Oh no. Going short on MNQ? Nice. Good call, Mango. See what gold's up to. Ooh, little inside bar on the gold. Do we try it? Wow, bad fill there. Short on the gold, micros. Might fund a future core accounts funded. Trying it off the inside bar. I got a bad fill though, but I'm looking for more than So I went in Discord and said the email support is useless. Then I got timed out for a week. Oh no. That's funny. They reset the wrong eval, so the Discord mod said contact me. Oh, okay, yeah. It is frustrating when you can't... If a company doesn't have good support, it is frustrating. No, they don't. They do not like the heat. They kind of... Yeah, they don't. For sure. Yeah, most of it's all AI now too, Zayd, which sucks. Prop firm for keeps toasted your Tradeify accounts today. Sorry to hear that. Okay, yeah, send it on the Discord. Yo, Tony Gold in the house. We got a NASDAQ pushing down. Quite the buy candle here. Got quite the bounce, 780s. We're short gold at the moment. Micros on 50K. Might find a future core counts. Trying to get $100 to lock in another day. Be interesting if NASDAQ does take out the low here at 805 and then put in a little lower high. Feel like I just have disco ball behind me, Brandon. Yeah. So yeah, I'm experimenting with some stuff. I got some stuff coming. The old Amazon is happy with me right now. I got some stuff I'm gonna put on the back wall. I got a shelf. I got some things, stuff and things. Trying to spruce it up a little bit. You know, trying to upgrade stuff. But yeah, it's nice to have some of these lights because, you know, streaming at night, especially this time of night, it's like technically I've been working all day, so this is like nighttime, and I appreciate you guys hanging out. You know, sometimes I get a little sleepy, so it's nice to have it acts like it's what my 16-year-old self always wanted, or my 13-year-old self always wanted. I can do some funky stuff with the lights too. Thank you, Red. Let's see. The TV lights, I can do all kinds of themes and stuff. If you guys don't like flashing lights, look away now. Yeah, you can do all kinds of stuff. Let's see. Yeah, you can do that kind of stuff. You can make it play to music. Make it brighter. The music thing's pretty cool. I was letting it play to some David Guetta earlier, just messing around. A whole new overlay and software? Oh, yeah, I need people for that. What's up, George? What's going on? I gotta be more exciting than Marianne, right? 1-800-FX, let's go! Exclamation point pine in the chat. Sabir, Blundix, Buellanox prop firm, did you ask a question? I do trade with Buellanox, if you're asking that. Yeah, 91% off right now. Alright, we're getting a little push down here in gold. I'm in 2 micros. I'm going to add to this. Arumkin Williams, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Yoda Trades, what is up? Gang, gang. Let's go. I just listened to Theo Vaughn's podcast with Pete Davidson. Oh, yeah, let's go. Red candles, yeah. I mean, that's what I do too. I don't ever cancel my 91% off stuff. I never do that. Especially with Buellanox, because they rebuild at 91% off, so it's recurring. LS Funded Scalper, what's up? O'Brien, these are funded, My Funded Future accounts. Yeah. Let's add some more. Come on, push it down. All right, taking a few off there. All right, I'm just gonna close it there. Pretty much at the 1-to-1, so off that inside bar. So, unfortunately, but fortunately, I was in micros, so it's not like a huge win, but I'll take it to start. I'm looking for $100 tonight across these 4 accounts to lock in another day for My Funded Futures. Any discounts on My Funded Futures? Yeah, is that? Let me double check to see if that's still going on. You got your second payout with Buellnox? Let's go. Smash the confetti for George. That's what's up. Any idea why? Yeah, I do know why. You gotta go to Discord. My Funded Futures. So go to Discord. Type in gold. And yeah, right here. So there's an issue. It's been an issue for a while. I don't know why. But yeah, go to myfundedfutures.com billing. Click View Market Data Subscription. Click Upgrade. If you're trading gold, select COMEX. Choose your desired level. Wait 4 to 5 minutes for the data to sync. Log back out, log back in, and try that. Gold still dumping. Let's go. Let's go back to the NASDAQ here. Oh, there it goes. See, I get scared. I get scared of gold. I always think it's gonna reverse on me. Oh yeah, I was gonna check out the sale going on in My Funded Futures. If you guys are using My Funded Futures, please use code PINE. Help support the channel. I appreciate it. Let's see. So yeah, right now, the My Funded Futures deals, 50% off for any new users when you use code PINE. So $39 for a core count, no activation fee, and $25% off for existing users. Buy one, get one, 25% off. So when you use code PINE. So what happens is you buy one, you'll get a coupon in your email for 25% off. Or at least you're supposed to. But yeah, use code PINE. I appreciate it. So that's My Funded Futures Dale. That ends September 30 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Do I like My Funded Futures? Yes, Charles. Yeah, I do. Yeah, fastest payouts in the game, like super fast, instant. Just got one the other day on Friday on this account down here, this one that's already back up to 2,000. So I would like to get a pro account though. So I need to work on a pro account. Yeah, get that stop loss ready. Yeah, I know. I'm trading gold. Extraordinary Cave Trader. Are you the same cave trader that was watching I Show Speed with me last night? Anyone else's Project X chart not loading on mobile? Can't see your chart at all. Yeah, I don't know. Oh no, you're in a deep slum. Sorry to hear that. So best thing to do, Corey, sometimes, like, not financial advice or anything, but sometimes the best thing to do is just take a break. Take a little break, even if it's just like a week. Away from the charts. Don't even look at them. And ooh, it's a little gold bounce here. And then size down. Yeah, I see it, Zayd. Yeah, I'll check it out. And then size down, you know. Kind of build your confidence back. Oh, I see what happened. Yeah, I see what happened, Zayd. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, I mean, it's easier said than done, Corey. I know. Size way too heavy, yeah. The nice thing, I mean, I hate that core accounts limit you, but in a way it's nice because, you know, we're over leveraged anyway. But you know, I like to trade. I like to add into trades and things like that. So, the core accounts can be a little bit tougher because they, you know, start you off with 1 mini, 5 micros. It's a little bit tougher. You like the 25K accounts? Yeah, Corey, I do too. Yeah, it's a little bit easier to get over the buffers and a little bit easier to get over a little bit easier to pass too, right? Because you don't need to make as much. Make it 1-to-1. I agree, design. I don't understand. Caleb, risk-free trade. Let's go. You like the 100K accounts? Interesting. Yeah. Not this cave trader. Yeah, that's funny. There's a few cave traders. You're the extraordinary cave trader, and then there's another cave trader that subs to this channel. You guys, do me a favor and smash that like button. We are up 44 whopping dollars so far. Like I said, I'm looking for $100 to lock in. Yeah, 100Ks. Yeah, I never think to do 100Ks, but I'm usually I skip right over it. I go to 150s, you know. But yeah, 100Ks are cool. The weird one to me is the 75Ks. Does anyone trade 75Ks? I don't even know who has those anymore. Apex, I guess. All right, Mark's pushing down here. Haven't broke this low here. Basically, this is the MOC low. $805s. So it's kind of grinding lower at the moment. Gold, putting in an inside bar. Harami, inside bar. Pretty interesting. TJP in the house. What is live like on My Funded Futures? That's funny. I was just talking about that today. So I believe what happens is that, so with a core account, they start you off at their drawdown. So if, let's just say you they put you in the live from a core account, they start you off $2,000. But if you're in a pro account, I believe, I don't remember what the cap is, but I believe that you can start off more with more money if you're in a pro account and say you build it up. I'm the one and only cave trader. All the other cave traders are fake, right? So I'm not 100% sure, but the Discord tip fixed the gold. Nice. Yo, Jerry Trade, what is up? Good to see you. Sorry, I'm just looking at gold here. Still watching the NASDAQ, rejecting off the VWAP. YM continuing. Kind of looks like it wants to push up here. Boy, YM sold off at the open. This was this morning. It really tanked. I tried a long here off this Harami, and I caught a good move, and then it just stalled out, and then it just kind of did this. Just went back and forth, back and forth. It actually held the low of that Harami. I ended up popping out for a loss. Yeah, I actually should have. So I kind of paper handed it. What I did is so what I like to do with these Haramis of the YMs, I like to go for a 1-to-1. But boy, I paper handed it. Basically, it put in this outside bar, came right down here. It didn't even take out my stop, and I stopped myself out. You know, I didn't quite take the. Actually, it was this gray candle. This gray candle came down, and I was like, oh man. Felt like it was kind of an engulfing candle, and I felt like it was just going to push down through the low, and I ended up hopping out, paper handing it, and then it bounced back up. It would have took out my take profit. So that was a very disappointing trade this morning. That was on YM. All right, NASDAQ trying to get through that VWAP. Gold. Doing gold things, kind of just chopping sideways on that VWAP right now. It's like downwards channel. Thank you for the sub, Robert. Appreciate it. Welcome. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway later tonight. Got my first master account with FT. Oh, let's go, Scalp Ripper. Love to see it. Oh, there's the other cave trader. This is the fake cave trader. We have extraordinary cave trader and cave trader. Yeah, no problem. Yes. So I was donating money to iShow Speed last night. It was 85,000 people watching him. So I was like, I'm just donating to get my channel noticed. That's what I kept saying. And then cave trader messaged me on the YouTubes, and then I said, "What's up, cave trader?" It's kind of funny. I don't know. I was just having fun. Guerrilla marketing. I'm 150k pro funded, 250k core funded. Might get moved to live with the cores. I don't want to move to live though until I hit that 100k max. payout. What do you think? Ah, yeah. I kind of am in the same boat, Jerry Trade. Yeah, I know. Sometimes we're just not going to have a choice, but... Yeah, I hear you. Because let's be honest. Funding ticks? Oh, let's go. Scalp Ripper. Let's be honest with the core accounts. I mean, they're kind of like... earn and burn accounts in a way. We don't like to think of them that way, but they're, you know, you can play the prop game and withdraw the whole payout, withdraw into the buffer, and then take max payout on them and burn the accounts. So hopefully by Thursday or Friday, these core accounts, these 4, I'm gonna try for the max payout. Right, $3,200 after commission. So. Just need 2 more days of $100. How hard can it be? Oh, I don't know, Jerry. I mean, I can't tell you what to do, but I mean, if it was me, I wouldn't. I would. I don't know. Maybe they take all the core and the pro, and they'll just add it all up and put you in the live with that. I've heard that it could be negotiated. I don't know, but I'm not sure. Get a little push up here on NASDAQ, looking kind of interesting. Kind of broke this little flag structure. I might do a little order filled here. Kind of held that low too. Where's the stop? Not too bad. Do a little order filled. Playing around with the micros right now. It's kind of an I think trade, so. Stop at the low. Risking $60. Maybe we'll get a little pop up here towards the high and lock in that $100. Just the micros. Got the Beelanox account pulled up. I got a 91% off. 2 91% off evals right here. Those are $15.75. I believe it's still going on. Let me double check that too. Get towards the end of the month and you gotta double check to see if everything's still going on. Let me check. Yep, still going on until tomorrow. So if you want to use code PINE, 91% off Beelanox, 50K accounts, option 1s. It's the ones I like. But yeah, they're kind of a pass or smash. We don't play here. We make monies, minis, not micros. Yeah, I know. I hear you, Dawood. I don't need much. I'm just locking in the base hit. Am I liking right now? I am liking the long. Hey, what's up from Brazil? Let's go, Lucas. Hola. You've had enough days, but you're trying to get a buffer? Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's but boy, man, I've got in trouble trying to build up buffers. That's for sure. But you can do it. Just take the payout, leave the 100 or 2, and then gamble the news. Yeah, TJP, yeah. You can do that. Tony, what is up? On the 50 MA, if it pushes right here, it should work. 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah. I'm liking it. I mean, we're holding above that VWAP right now. Let's see if we can get a push up through the 20s. It is a little slow tonight. The trade that we took so far has been on gold. Not a bad exit. Obviously could have squeezed a little more, but got a nice little 1-to-1 out of it. Possible bear flag here with the gold. Inside bar. Inside bar on MNQ. Inside bar on NASDAQ. I'm adding into this. Stop still at the low. Risking 83 bucks. Basically looking for high a day. $8.25. High a day in New York. $9.75. 24,975 is high a day New York. Yeah, it's way up there. Basti, Fantasti, Fantasty, Basti Fantasty. Thanks so much for the sub. Appreciate you. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Giving away any size Apex account. Do that at 7:45 Eastern time. Market's not doing nothing. Sitting on the VWAP, dead. Looking for 824.75, basically, or 824.50. That should lock in a another day, $100 day. You long? Let's go, Mo. Good luck. Rejection there off 820s. $200 EMA sitting at 825. Yeah, I'm looking to take profit just below that. Gonna front run that maybe. We'll see. Just looking for 10 points. How hard can it be? See, if I was in a mini right here, I probably would have got what I needed, but we're playing responsible. Drink responsibly. Let's go. Push it up. Davin, what is going on? New thumbnail pic cracks you up now that you know the story, right? I don't know. I might change it. I got something else too. I drummed up. What's TP for me? I'm looking at 24.50. That should get me $100. Cracks you up in a good way. I might have had a couple champagnes in that picture. Just saying. A couple glasses of champagne. Come on, get up there. Get up there! Let's go! Oh, thanks, Tom. Yeah, it's still a work in progress. I got some stuff on order. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah. Little upgrades. Come on, get up there. I just missed you by a tick there. This might not actually do it. I'm actually moving my take profit up. Looking for 826 now. If we pop through the high, we should get it. Let's go, W7. Come on, let's bust through that high real quick. Tag me out. And I can go to the buy. Something's wrong with your phone without the lights? Yeah. Tom, yeah, for sure. I just know when I was like 10 years old, I just wanted Christmas lights in my bedroom. Oh, come on. Did you see that? It literally missed me by a tick. One tick. Don't do that. Come on. Be a good girl. Push up there. I'm really playing my P&L at the moment, but it's okay. Really? I close entry at 98.40. How hard can it be? Still long. 1 micro. Cove was 18. Oh, don't tell me that design. Don't tell me that. 18 cents from a payout and hit daily loss limit. That is, oh, I can't say I don't know if I was been 18 cents, but damn. I love Take Profit Trader, Ellis funded scalper. Yeah, unfortunately I pushed it a little bit too hard. I was up 1,700 on a day one today on a 50K, and end up blowing the account. There we go. Bang. $101.50. Let's go. That was for a micro trade, that was a little stressful. So locked in another day for my funded futures. So here's what I do. Here's what I do with the core accounts. I end up going in heavy on day one. There's no consistency anymore. So I push them like heavy, and then I look for base hits. Because when they're new, it's like, you know, I just kind of like, you know, I don't really care. Yo, Taylor, what is up? Let's go, Caleb Reed. Sub-Zero in the house. Toy in the house. What is up? But yeah, that's crazy design. Ellis funded scalper, yeah. I love Take Profit Trader. If you guys are interested in the Take Profit Trader, you can use code PINE, all caps. My favorite prop firm. Am I going to the BDH for a 25K prize? Yeah, so if it does a competition, yeah, I'll do it. I did sign up for the trade day competition. I'm not very good at competitions, or at least I don't have a very good track record with competitions. Ninja Trader competitions, I've gotten smoked on pretty bad. Boy, we are pushing higher. So nice inside bar. Let's talk about the trade real quick. Let's recap. This is what I was looking at. Kind of a break in structure, right? So I was kind of looking at this breaker structure, put in this inside bar, and then I hopped in long and then placed the stop at the low of the day, which was 807. And I hopped in with micros, basically just looking for $100 to cap off another day for my funded futures. And that's it. So I'm gonna put these accounts away. Yeah, they're not. No, not when they're funded. So these are funded accounts. So Evan, I have no idea if it's available to sign up. I don't think so, not yet. But yes, the my funded futures evaluations are 50%. Yes, you can, Jinro. Yes, you can. Wow. $1. Well, you can withdraw into the buffer. But I believe it closes. I believe you can withdraw 50%, but it closes your account, Jinro. There is you got to take that 80-20 split too. So, can you withdraw $1? I mean, I think so, but yeah. I mean, I know someone that's like withdrawing like lunch money every day, like $10-15. I'm not joking. So yeah, but yeah, basically anything over the buffer. So a 50K account, you get over $2,000, and you can make a withdrawal. Same with trade day, guys. You guys, trade day is very, very similar to Take Profit Trader. It often gets overlooked. But trade day has end of day accounts as well, and static accounts. And so, you know, pretty much the same thing, same payout policies, really. Caleb, you have a negative R&R, but your win rate is 80%. Yeah, I have a strat like that too. Yeah, it's crazy, right? I have one that's the opposite. I have one that's like 30% win rate, and it's profitable. A systematic trade. But when it hits like big. You know, 3, 4 to 1. But yeah, trade day. Pine with a capital P for trade day. Yeah, I'd love to go to the BDH. For that tournament. It'd be fun. Oh, I trade with Tradeify too. Yeah, Roman. Yeah, I do. I mean, it's tough to. I just kind of go where the best deals are right now. And I believe Tradeify did have a good deal. I kind of missed it though. I wonder if it's still going on. It is. So right now, Tradeify is 40% off on all accounts if you use code PINE. That offer ends September 30th at 11:59 p.m. So, yeah, that's actually a great deal right now. Might be a good time to get some Tradeify accounts. Matter of fact... Nice, Roman. Nice long. Congratulations if you guys just caught the longs. So we caught a nice gold short, caught a nice long on NQ. Up 400 bucks across the funded accounts. Dang. Boy, I love AI. I made this banner in like 2 seconds. Tradeify, 40% off all accounts. Use code PINE. 2 uses per customer. Straight to fundeds, end of day accounts, intraday accounts, whatever. Really good deal. Alexander Peterson, what is up? Thanks so much for the sub. Oh, you did, Tom? You put yeah, the long light strips. Yeah, that's what I was doing. That's what I did around the back of the TV there. It's all plug and play stuff, which is really awesome. What do you look for a TP, Roman? I don't know. I haven't even thought about it. We got the initial balance low up here at 848. We could test that, but we'll see. Past 4 take profit traders. Let's go. 4 150Ks. Let's go, Smokey. That's sweet. 4 take profit traders is awesome. You paid Thursday. Let's go, Caleb. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. I did too, Smokey. I was up $1,700 and then on a 50K and blew it. Yeah, wasn't happy about it. I knew it too. I kept going back and forth, like, kind of kept chopping me up. My P&L kept chopping me, and then, yeah, I was just like, damn. It's alright, I'll get him next time. I think I got a 150K passed, so I should have that by Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Pro TV is the intraday size lighter. Yeah, well, I know, Caleb. You're right. What I do is I kind of go heavy. I do the opposite. I go heavy and squash the drawdown as fast as I can. That's kind of what I try to do. But yeah, sometimes you get burned. Jay Styles in the house. What is going on? Coop in the house. What is up? Toy Trades husband. Are you richer than? Toy Trade. Tory's trend lines are richer than yours. They can absorb a 250K drawdown. Yes, they can. Yeah, I cannot absorb a 250K drawdown on a personal account. Cannot. Yeah, 4303 in 6 days. That's it. You know, you pull some. You know, you can still stay profitable with them. The advanced, yeah, the pro accounts right now. Yeah, 25% off the pro accounts. Or buy one, get one 25% off for the My Funded Future Pros. But if you guys haven't tried out My Funded Futures yet, fastest payout in the game. As far as when you actually push the button to get the payout, it's instant payouts. So once you get over the buffer, once you hit all your targets with the account, and you go to hit payout, you will get paid instantly. So if you guys haven't tried out My Funded Futures, use code PINE for 50% off. So great time to give them a shot. And if you have any questions, hit me up. All right, getting a little bit of a pullback here. Kind of rejecting here at around the 840s. I might sling around this Bielanox account if I see something. Let's take a look at gold. Gold just above the VWAP. The VWAP. YM. Kind of grinding higher. It's funny how YM leaves these little gaps on the chart. Look at these gaps. Yeah, refresh, see if it gets rid of it. Nope. Just, yeah, I know. Yeah, I mean, I kind of trade trend. I don't really trade trend lines, but I trade, you know, bull and bear flags, and I draw them out usually. So I'll just draw them out. I mean, that basically was a trend line break. But I like to see at least a 3-point touch and then a close, or at least a strong break above or below. $8.26 is here. Still waiting for another trade. Tori trades tan lines in the chat. What is up? Love them too much? It's funny. JD54, what is going on? What a drop on NQ? Yeah. It's kind of interesting. YM was just pushing lower right off the start. NASDAQ come in and pushed up higher. The ORB worked. Interesting. Market on open right here. So for newer traders, market on open here at 9:25 Eastern or 8:25 on this chart here, Central. Had a big push down and then put in an inside bar on the market open, and then the break of this inside bar was very nice. Now this seems to be very rare that you would actually see the first inside bar be the opening candle, so I don't know if technically it is the first inside bar. I don't know. But if you took it to the ORB, 5-minute break, you got paid. But yeah, this is the one I took. I took this one here, and you can see I got smoked on it. It peaked above, it peaked below, and then peaked back above. No good. What's up, Coach Fred? Do I give signals to get in or no? I mean, I tell you all my trades, yeah, but they're not signals. I don't. Yeah, I don't want anyone copy trading me. If you do, I know people do, but I wouldn't. I'm an idiot. Am I staying up for Tokyo Open? I don't know. No, probably not tonight. But yeah, I mean, I tell you all my trades. I don't hide nothing. I got nothing to hide. I'm not trying to sell you nothing. I don't have a as of right now, I don't have a course or mentorship or indicator or anything to sell you, so nothing to hide, right? DVDs? Well, yeah. Might have some DVDs, some old DVDs. Oh, thanks, Coach Fred. Let's go. That's what's up, Chris. All right, getting a little bounce here. 825s. Possibly a little bull flag. We'll see. Inside bar paid. Kind of just waiting. I won't take any more trades on this funded account. I won't trade these at all. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna exit all. Let's see, E24. Oh, for sure, Caleb. Yeah, that's right. I mean, did I go to the BDH and get some merch? It came in the mail. Can you see the deer above my desk? It's actually not in this office. Yeah, I'm actually in a different office, Tim. Mail order bribe, yeah. Why do you need to show proof of income on TradeAway to sign up for futures? What if I don't have a job and only cash to blow? Well, that's the reason. Take note. That's the reason. I would guess, like, I don't know, I would guess to prevent money laundering, right? Cha-cha! What's my win rate? 30%. No, it's around, usually average around 60 to 70%. 1-to-1s. So watching that Charlie Sheen documentary, that guy was winning. Speaking of winning, that guy was, man, that's like, dude, that guy was wild. Is there any futures app I can do where they don't ask for income proof documents? I don't think so. Prop firms. Take note. Trade prop firms, they don't ask for income. Cocaine is out. Yeah, for sure, Riz Royal. Still holding? Let's go, Roman. Diamond hands. Love it. Streamlabs working? Yeah, it's over on the other side. JD54. It's over on the, sorry. Yeah, if you guys want to join the giveaway, exclamation point Pine, you gotta go over to the other side, not the mobile side. You gotta come over to the full screen. Apologize, I wish it could just work on both, but it doesn't, so I don't know why. No, I didn't, Caleb. Free trade? Nice, Roman. Love those free trades. Yeah, a couple runners. I like it when Pine is on. I had to at least. Yeah, Tiger is on steroids. And Tiger sings way better than me, so. Yeah, take note for sure. No, I got you. Probably the best one. Let's see. The best one that feels more like a real account would be, like, if I was to choose, it would be either Take Profit Trader or Trade Day. Trade Day end of day accounts. So those kind of feel like a real account, especially once you pass and everything, because you can take daily payouts once you get over the buffer. So yeah. But yeah, if you got any questions, just hit me up. Just let me know in the chat. And make sure you use code PINE. Trade Day, Pine with a capital P. I gotta see if they can fix that. Get rid of the case sensitive. So I will be joining the Trade Day competition, the affiliate competition. So that'll be fun. I finally got it working. I was an idiot. I was supposed to be getting a 150K end of day account, but every time I went to sign up for it, it would switch me to 150K intraday account. And I was just like, I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. It just kept saying error. And then I finally Who else is in the competition? I have no idea. Tour trades. I was reluctant to do it, but they said they'll give me, if you win, they'll give you $5,000 for me, and then $5,000 for your community to give away however I wanted. And they give me, while I'm in the competition for 5 weeks, I get a higher commission for the affiliates. So I'm like, why not? It's free. I won't be exposed for the indicator that I'm trying to sell. Right? It's looking like a nice long here, perhaps. I might try to take it on this Buellnox 50k eval. Yeah. I'm gonna try. Yeah. Min. Min kind of heavy. 2 minis. Looking to break that high. Stop. Risking 280 on this. Stop just below the swing low here. When am I gonna have a guest stream with me? I don't know. I mean, I've had Terry on before. That was fun. But yeah, I don't know. It's kind of... I don't know. I might try some more things during the day, perhaps. When there's more action. Alright, we're slinging around this Buellnox eval. We're in 2 minis. We're in heavy. If it turns down here and then heads back to the VWAP, we will get stopped out. Trade days your income maker? Yeah, I gotta get some more trade days. Yeah, I'm happy if Terry won too. She not only did she win the competition, but she won over a lot of like subscribers, things like that. So it's like paying itself in dividends, which so I'm happy for her. Her channel got over 1,000 subscribers now, and it's good. What's up, Cranston White? You're in 8 minis. All right, market looks like it's frozen. Believe it or not. Can't really see my, see if I can change the color in that. The order line thing. Let's see. I'm not sure how to do that. Maybe this. Oof. There, you guys see that a little better. Like that. Now, let's see. I think I like the orange for that. And then where is the order line? Yeah, I can see that a little better. Right, Tori, yeah. For sure. What's up, Corey, the phone trader in the house? Kind of an ugly candle there. Don't love that. Basically, we broke this inside bar here, kind of a little bull flag break, but rejected hard, came back down in, so not great. Do I like to Tradeify growth accounts? I do, Roman. Yes, right now, 40% off Tradeify. Growth is the end-of-day accounts, no activation fee on the growth accounts. So, pass them in one day as well. Is it similar to Top Step? No. Not really. Lots of familiars. I have to look back. I always forget. They've kind of changed it a little bit. So you can have five accounts. You receive 90% of your payout. 35% consistency rule. On a 50K account, it's $150 in profit, 5 days or more. And you must get your account up to $52,100. And you can get a $1,500 payout. On the first one, $2,000 on the second one, $2,500 on the third one, $3,000 on the fourth payout. And those are 50K accounts. So, yep, you can pass in one day. Yep. Yes, you can. All right, see if we hold that swing low there. Kind of just chopping around though. How do I change that color? I don't like it. Sorry, I'm just messing around with these colors. All right, back in the green now. I like that candle. It's a pretty bullish candle here. Let's see if we can continue that break here. I like where my stop is. If I'm wrong, but looks like we might just kind of push through the high. Can you pass in 1 day, but you lose that drawdown, correct? Yeah, it's end of day. Is that what you mean, Roman? I'm not sure what you mean. Ready to make new highs, shameless? Yeah, probably. Artistic Chick, thank you so much for the sub. I missed that. Appreciate it. Welcome. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. We will do that in about 20 minutes. Oh yeah, when you take the payout, you lose the drawdown. Yeah, for sure. Yep. Thoughts on Toss Step? I like them. Alright, let's push up through the highs here. Gonna stop down here at 825.50. Basically looking for a 1-to-1. Yeah, Corey, they don't really give them out anymore. Yeah, it was really tough for me too, Corey. It's still tough. I still struggle to get codes with these firms. Funded Next told me that they only give them out to select people. I said, okay, thanks. They can use your link. I'm like, oh yeah, that just works great. Well, it's kind of settling here at 832. Gotta push up into these wicks, these down wicks here. That's the only problem. So we gotta push up and test these here. 840. I feel like that's where we're kind of like, that's where the base was. That's where we rejected off from. So we got these down wicks up here. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I'm back home. Yeah, Jonathan. Pretty standard with every firm. If you withdraw before getting past the initial drawdown and the account, you'll forfeit the rest of it. Yeah, for sure, Coop. Yeah, thank you, Jonathan. Yeah, appreciate it. So yeah, so I stream every single night. Artistic Chick, I stream every single night. Right at Globex open, so 6 p.m. Eastern time. I'm open. I'm here I'm usually here about 15 minutes early. If you guys want to tune in earlier, I try to hop on about 5:45, 4:45 if you're in Central Time. And I stream till about 8 p.m. Eastern. And then sometimes I hop on during the day too. But lately I've been kind of busy, like doing some behind the scenes things. I got some exciting stuff coming, guys. Exciting. Not too exciting, but what time is Globex open? Globex opens at what I call Globex. So the market reopened, which is at 6 p.m. Eastern time. But Tokyo opens at 8 p.m. Eastern. So in about 30 minutes. Bottom of the hour here. Boy, we rejected at 8:35s. I have been watching the hourly a little bit. Thanks to D Money. You guys know D Money. At what time do we see the most volumes at night? Yeah. Usually around 8, 9, 10 o'clock Eastern time. That's usually when you see the most volume, and then it ends up picking up again in London Open. Caleb Danko Art, let's go. Yo, Toy, what is up? If you want to join the giveaway, Toy, you got to go over to the other stream. There's one mobile and one regular. Exclamation point Pine over there. Into the regular, into the full size. We'll do that in about 15 minutes. We'll close it out. We'll try anyway. Depends if I'm still in this trade. Let's go, Toy. You found me. Oh, cool, artistic chick. Sweet. Yeah, well, welcome. The Moose is hyped to win. Give it a little shot. So baseball season coming up. I mean baseball season, baseball playoffs. Baseball season coming up. Baseball playoffs. The Red Sox versus Yankees. That should be fun. What position size do I enter on the first inside bar? If I'm trying to pass an eval, minis on funded accounts, generally maybe some micros. So like 3, 4, depending on the size of the stop. If the stop's really big, coach, saying, then you kind of got to size down, right? So. Go Phillies! Phillies are in it too. Nice. I don't really pay attention to baseball, but hey, I can be a fair weather Red Sox fan, right? It's the playoffs now, so I can pretend like I watched them all season. Yeah, design only goes up. Currently up $100, but I'm looking for a little more. I'm looking to kind of sweep that high. And we'll see. All right, artistic chick. Have a good night. Another good book to read. One of my favorite books is called The Best Loser Wins. Artistic chick, if you're still listening. One of my favorite books by Tom Hugard. All right, pushing up here. I'm liking it. Tom Hugard, yeah. TOMHOUGAARD or something like that. That's wrong. Hugard. Something like that. That and Mark Douglas. Mark Douglas stuff. It's all about trading psychology. So when you're learning futures trading, you'll figure out fast that it's all about the psychology. Hugard. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think I spelt it right. Yeah, there we go. I got it. I typed it on the other side. Hey, what's up, Sports Don? Atomic Habits is a great book. Yeah, so another one that really helped me, that's not trading related, is The Power of Now. That one's really helped me in life in general and kind of applies to trading. So no problem, artistic chick. All right, we're getting the push up here. I'm gonna take one off. Taking one off here. Moving my take profit up. It's looking good. Risk off trade now. We'll let the rest run. See if we can squeeze some shorts. Yo, what's up, Tyler? The Price of Tomorrow by Jeff Booth is a good book. Oh, that's cool. I never heard of that one. I'll check that out. One I wanted to get is called Trading for Dummies. I actually, Coach Fred, that's the very first book. I believe the very first trading book I ever read was I think it was called Stock Market for Dummies. I think it was one of those. I'm not joking. I think that was the very first book I ever read way back or looked at. See if we can run these wicks up here in 840s. See if we can get a little squeeze. First one you read was OTC for Dummies. Let's go. Now we got all kinds of dummies on YouTube. We'll teach you all kinds of stuff. No, you don't need any books. Hey Ethan, what is going on? Exclamation point Pine in the chat, guys, if you guys want to join the giveaway. Any size Apex account you want, we'll do that in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Screen time is all you need. That's how I learned how to. How I tried to learn how to trade. Staring at these screens for 10,000 hours. This is psychology books that helped me. And then I have to go back and read them again. Because I tend to forget. Yeah, over time you realize that any strat works. It's the execution discipline that make you money. Yeah, I couldn't agree more. That's why, like, I'm telling you, like a lot of my subscribers are ICT people. You got some of you guys trade market profiles. Some of you guys trade. You know, it's like it doesn't really matter what you trade. It's just about like proper risk management and being consistent with it, and like walking away when you're red. That's the key. If you trade ICT and you can stick with that particular strategy and not like jump off the rails and start trading other edges or discretionary trading, erratic trading, then yeah, it works, right? If you're trading inside bars, it works. You just got to trade them. Outside bars, ORBs, 15-minute ORBs, initial highs and lows, you know, balance breaks, retests, MACDs, RSIs. It doesn't really matter what you do. It's just you gotta stick with it. It's when you start jumping all over the place, strategy hopping. That's when you get in trouble. I know, I'm guilty of it too. What's better to trade at NAS or gold? Whatever's moving. That's kind of how I look at it. It's just like whatever's moving, take note. So we made a gold trade this earlier. We took a nice short off this inside bar, and then you see it's gone sideways ever since. So the first inside bar did pay on the gold. Nasdaq seems to be moving okay. It's slow, but it's moving. Yo, Donna, what is up? The Complete Investor book, Charlie Munger. Yeah, I do like some of those books, like for inspiration and stuff. It's fun to read some of those books. Donna's in the house. Tommy Stark. That's what I trade options with. SPX options, initial balance, and yeah, you're absolutely right. 76 to 80%. It doesn't break to the other side. So what I do is I look for a 50% retracement, and then I look for, and then I hop in the options. So yeah. Twitter Rage was all about the new dumb cryptic 369 technique by Zusi. Really, I haven't heard of it. I kind of had a tweet that went viral. So viral for me. So my Twitter twatted. It's just going crazy. My Twitter twatted, and it just all I keep getting is these notifications. So. Yeah, Tommy. So you like probabilities? I like it. You subscribe to Edgeful or anything? Yeah, that's something I don't really pay attention to the Asia initial balance highs and lows. That's your dog's name, Zusi? That's funny. What's up, Juan? Good to see you guys. You just got back from Cancun, Mexico? That sounds awesome. For your niece's wedding. Oh, nice, Tommy. Yeah. I love probability stuff. I do. And that's basically what trading is, right? It's probabilities. I mean, it's you trade an edge. You know your risk to reward. You know your percentage on how much you're gonna make, and now it's just you have to prevent the erratic trading, like just pushing the button. You know, that's the key. This trade, this trade was kind of an I think trade, but it's a bear flag break. I mean a bull flag break. That's basically what I was looking at. So. Here's the bull flag right here, and we entered here, and that's it. Stop originally went down here 825, but I think I'm gonna take it off right here. We're right up into these wicks here. Let's do the 264 on that trade. Nice trade for the old turtle markets. So up 264 on that, up $100 or $400 total on the funded accounts. So nice base hit day locked in there. Let's get ready to do the giveaway, shall we? Exclamation point pine in the chat over on the full screen side. Any size Apex account. Smash the like button as well. If you haven't smashed the like button yet, then you're disqualified. That's the rules. I didn't make them. I didn't make them. Let's see. Still pushing up higher. I mean, I think we could keep squeezing. Could possibly, I'm just gonna talk about this real quick. Could possibly put in a if we can break up through that level, it is possible we put in a measured move. So here's the measured move, which would put us up right here around 850s. So just food for thought, right? All right. Let me get the mooses harnessed up here. Getting the mooses all harnessed. Appreciate everyone being here. If you haven't joined the Discord, it's completely free. I'll put a link in the chat right now. There's the Discord if you want to join up. It's completely free. Alright, let me get the moose race fired up. Ooh, 10-minute race. No. Let's not do that. 1 minute's fine. Alright. Adding my own name. Primal songs, do it one more time. You put in exclamation pone. You gotta put in exclamation pine. There you go. Should be in. Alright. Closing the entries. Done. 163 people. A little light tonight. That's okay. That's alright. Good luck, everyone. Oh, I gotta put my moose race hat on. Can't forget the moose race hat. Good luck. All right, we got Fanboy on the outside. David Snyder also on the outside. Can't see who's up top there. Oh, we got to see Hitchman. Hitchman up on top. VW Trades. Sky Little Kitty. Oh, Pine Tree Trader. Look Pine Tree Trader just hanging out, just waiting to take it over. You must be present to win. If you're not present to win, then we'll rerun it. Oh, we got Extraordinary Cave. Is this Extraordinary Cave Trader or just a regular Cave Trader? Extraordinary Cave Trader. Fanboy gonna take it right up to the last second. Fanboy. Congratulations. Are you here? 30 seconds. We rerun it. TikTok, that's right. All right. We go again. Sorry. Good luck, everyone. Smash that one. Give it some boosts. I'm gonna take it this time. David Snyder on the outside. Rock Driller hanging in there. He's just pacing himself. About ready to take the lead is Isaac up on top. Trader 007. We see HR Joe Wilcox. Alright, 10 seconds. Time for the boost. The boost! Coop! Coop! Oh, Coop! Let's go! Coop! Coop's got to be here. 30 seconds, Coop. Yeah, I knew Coop was here. Let's go. Coop, have you won before? I feel like you've won before. Congratulations. Wow. NASDAQ just rug pulled. Awesome. Yeah, Coop. You in the Discord, right? Alright, cool. Awesome. Very easy. Sweet. Congratulations, Coop. Your name is Coop T, right? Coop T, I believe. All right, awesome. I'll message you right now. And I will give you that code right now. We'll get it done. You can use it as we speak. Use this code for any size Apex account. There you go, Coop. Congratulations. Can I explain the inside bar? Sure. Let's do it. So I do have a video on it. You can check out my strategy videos, but I will explain it real quick. So inside bar basically is, let's go to NASDAQ. So an inside bar, what I use is the 5-minute chart, and the inside right here. Sorry, Coop sending me a funny message. Anyways, I'll go back. All right, 5-minute chart, and basically the inside bar opens and closes wicks, bodies, and everything within the body and the wicks of the previous candle. So see how this one never broke the high or the low of this candle, and it puts in this yellow candle here, which is just an indicator. And then what I do is I basically look for the break. So I'll take a long above this candle here, this yellow candle, and my stop goes below it here. And then I generally just target 1-to-1 or whatever. I'll target, like, you know, if I'm risking $200, then I'll look to make like $200. I do have a strategy like called the first inside bar. So if you want to check that one out in my long form videos, and that's the first inside bar of the New York session, and I trade that one systematically, either 1-to-1 or 20-point take profit, and sometimes it's a negative R&R. So if that makes sense. Yeah, very simple. You know, back test it, forward test it, trade it, try it, don't try it. Trade turtle soups, silver bullets, IFEGs, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's all good. It's fun. All right, guys. Hey, His Royal, I hope you're feeling better, man. I hope you, yeah, pass that kidney stone. That is, that's rough. If anyone's ever had kidney stones, you know. So, am I gonna wear that hat to the bar? I should. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there tonight, guys. It was a fun day. Fun start to the week. We will be back tomorrow for sure. I really appreciate everyone hanging out. Smash that like button. Spread the word. Share the stream. Do all that good stuff. And more importantly, Tradeify, 40% off. Use code PINE. Take Profit Trader. Trade Day. Apex, also 80% off. Thank you, Apex, for the accounts. We've been giving away Apex accounts every single day. Thank you so much, Apex, for the accounts. Bulanox, 91%. Most of these are all ending tomorrow, so use code PINE for all of them to help support the channel. Helps me buy new lights, new disco lights. So appreciate that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure. Stay tuned for the end scene. The end scene. All right.
Yeah. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pair of trees on the road, putting skills to the test. than the fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing they silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right, staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah.